Ella the elephant. Hi, I am Ella Elephant. I am the world's largest mammal. I am a very big and very fat animal. And I am an intelligent animal. My name is Ivory. What is an ivory? What is an ivory? I am Ella Elephant. I am big and round. I have a huge trunk and a tiny little tail. My skin is gray and hairy too. My ears are very, very huge and I use them to cool off. I am Ella Elephant. My teeth are called tusks. My nose is called a trunk. I use my tusks to break trees and to dig. And I use my trunk to smell, drink water, and to take a shower. Isn't that amazing? I am Ella the elephant.